So boys, as you're all here, can you give me a hand to unload my van?
Hello, Mint Customs.
Hello, Mum. Hello, Mum. Yeah, we're all right, yeah.
Welcome to Mint Customs.
What have you done?
This is the old workshop, you may recognise it. And this is the new workshop. We are expanding the man cave. Mint Customs is growing. The plan is simple. We want to build more bikes with more people, make more videos, and we are desperate for more space. Next door was available, so we grabbed it. All the supplies we need are starting to arrive. We have some big plans for this space and a serious amount of work ahead of us. Four days into the project, and there is wet paint in every direction, even the floor. Pretend the floor is lava, Dad.
It's freezing. My nose has gone red.
3 days of painting got boring very quickly. The second floor has been installed, and we're currently plumbing in the water supply. The barn was first built in the early 1700s. It's older than America!
Welcome to Mint Customs!
And what a beautiful place to build motorcycles.
We got the keys for the new barn about 3 weeks ago, which is actually directly linked to our other workshop. So we just smashed a hole. Well, Tom just smashed a hole through the wall, and we're in. And since then, a whole army of my close friends have come in and just completely kitted the place out. New stairs, new floor from Jeff, Leader Sparky, or Leader Engine Carrier as you might know him.
Ah, Mr. Bond!
Has been in, done a bucket load of wiring. It's just been great. It's been great. We've had help from loads of people. I think they'll be in the credits at the end of it. Is this going on the workshop? Yeah. Show him the show.
Going racing, you need all the help you can get.
Exactly.
Upstairs.
The city's asleep, but it burns you inside out, and the noise can't stop. Can't stop, can't buy more time.
We have put in a lot of hard work and late nights in this freezing cold weather. Looking forward to getting some heating in this place.
But I reckon another 2 weeks and we should be in up and running. You can have a proper good look round then, and we'll get back to building some bikes because we've been building workshops, not bikes. And Jeff's now walking up and down his stairs and making a noise while we're recording. Jeff, stand still.
This door is one of our old movie props. You may have seen the YouTube version. We're going to turn the door of opportunity into our toilet door, the poopportunity. There's a lot of unfinished bikes gathering dust. Finishing this new workshop and getting it up and running is top priority.
doing? Put the kitchen sink. Oh, hang on. Got 2 kitchen sinks.